How to enable or disable color palette on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Wallpaper and Style. After click on Wallpaper and Style, you will see color palette is here. Click on color palette. If you want to enable color palette, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see color palette is enabled. If you want to disable color palette, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see color palette is disabled. You will enable or disable color palette from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable color palette on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.